Assalamu alaikum student. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Today we will start our new chapter alkyl halide. First of all we will introduce alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are the compounds in which hydrogen atom of alkane has been replaced by one halogen atom. They are also known as derivative of alkanes. You can see here one hydrogen atom from methane has been replaced by chlorine. Here you can see one hydrogen atom from methane replaced by chlorine, and one hydrogen atom from propane has been replaced by chlorine. So we have obtained alkyl halides. Types of alkyl halides. On the basis of number of halogens atom, they may be classified into mono, di, tri, or poly haloalkanes. Monohaloalkanes are called alkyl halides having general formula Rx. You can see here this one is monohaloalkane, and this one is dihaloalkane, and this one is trihaloalkane. Classifications of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are classified into primary, secondary, and tertiary alkyl halides. First of all, we will discuss primary alkyl halides. Alkyl halide in which halogen atoms attached to primary carbon are called primary alkyl halide. Carbon atom attached to one or no carbon atom is called primary carbon atom. You can see here this carbon is primary carbon atom because this is not attached to another one carbon atom, and this carbon is primary carbon atom because this is only attached to single carbon atom, and this is also primary carbon because this is only connected with only one carbon atom. These all are primary alkyl halides. Secondary alkyl halides. Alkyl halides in which halogen atom is attached with a secondary carbon atom is called secondary alkyl halides. Secondary carbon is basically a carbon atom attached to two carbon atoms simultaneously is called secondary carbon atom. You can see here this carbon is simultaneously attached to this carbon and this carbon. That's why this is secondary carbon atom, and this alkyl is called secondary alkyl halides. And here also this carbon is attached with two carbon atom, and this alkyl halide is secondary alkyl halide. So this is secondary butyl chloride, and this is also propyl chloride. Tertiary alkyl halides. Alkyl halides in which halogen atom is attached to tertiary carbon is called tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary carbon, basically a carbon attached to three carbon atoms simultaneously, is called tertiary carbon atom. This is tertiary carbon atom because at a time it connected with 1, 2, and 3 carbon atoms. That's why it is called tertiary alkyl halide, and its name is tertiary butyl chloride. Now we will discuss about nomenclature of alkyl halides. Alkyl halides are named according to the following system. First one is common system of naming, and second one is IUPAC system of naming. First of all, we will discuss common system of naming. In this method, first of all, we will first writing the name of alkyl group to which halogen atoms attach, and then writing the name of halide ion. You see here first we will name ethyl and then chloride. For secondary alkyl halide the prefix sec, and for tertiary alkyl halide the prefix ter or t is added before the name of alkyl halide. You can see here secondary are isopropyl bromide, tertiary butyl bromide. We have added the prefix sec and t. When all the carbon of alkyl group of primary alkyl halide are in straight chain, the prefix n is used before the name is indicate normal. You can see here in which alkyl halide the alkyl group is in a normal chain, thus we have named it n-butyl bromide. IUPAC system of naming. According to this system, alkyl halides are named as derivative of alkanes. The following rules are observed for this purpose. The longest chain bearing halogen is selected as parent hydrocarbon. Prefix halo i.e. chloro for chlorine, bromo for bromine. It is used before the name of hydrocarbons. Second, positional numbers are used to indicate the halogen and other substituent by the usual method. For example, you can see here bromobutane, 2-bromo, 3-methyl butane. We have named it, and 2,2-bromo propane. The names given below are also accepted by the IUPAC: ethyl chloride, isopropyl bromide, and tertiary butyl bromide. Physical properties. Now we will discuss physical properties of alkyl halide. The polar bond creates a molecular dipole that raises the melting point and boiling point compared to alkanes. Now we will discuss structure. The alkyl halide functional group consists of an sp3 hybridized carbon atom bonded to halogen X via a sigma bond, and the carbon halogen bonds are typically quite polar due to electronegativity and polarizability of the halogen. Okay, Allah Hafiz.